accumulation of the charge and the capacitor as well as the induction effect is based on. Let us suppose there is a plate. Let's suppose it is a plate which is made of a metal, whatever it may be. First of all, initially we are just giving the positive charge to it. इसको हमने एक positive charge दिया है. Now what would happen? Let us suppose there is another plate which is at a distance of the d meter apart to the first one. पहले प्लेट से d meter apart पे एक दूसरी प्लेट हमने यहाँ पर रखी है. Now what would happen? As we know, because it will have a positive charge, then the electron are moves to tends. That is, if you would just see, it is tends to move towards here. Electron इधर की ओर move करेंगे because here it is a positive charge and it is to be attracted by the negative charge. That's why the electron is going to be shifted towards here. Electron इधर की ओर shift हो जाएंगे. और rather you may say the positive charge should be here. तो इधर कितना जितना negative charge इधर shift हो जाएगा उतनी positive charge इधर carry करेगा. Now if you will see what is basically the capacitor. Capacitor में आप देखेंगे there are the two plates at which we can accumulate the charge at the maximum level, and that has to be used for our purpose, because if the charge is being accumulated and the charge are different, then there is a setup of the electric field and that would pass from the positive to the negative one. It means there is a field which has been associated in it. यहाँ पे एक field generate हो गया plus to minus, and that has been used for our purpose. Similarly, if you will say here, if it is connected by means of any wire, let's suppose it is a wire and which is being connected to the earth, इसको हमने earth कर दिया है, then the electron will comes out. Electron यहाँ से आएंगे and that will neutral that positive charge. If you see, that become neutral. Electron क्या करेंगे, सबको neutral कर देंगे and all the charge becomes vanish. You will see there is all the charge become cancel out like this. Now what would happen? अब यहाँ से electric field setup हुआ था plus to minus. This is the electric field which has been set up. When we do not connect the outer resource by means of a wire to the earth, but as we connected, the electron one moves through the wire and that will becomes neutral the positive charge which is accumulated to the outer plate of the secondary plate. Now what would happen? There is a setup of the electric field plus to minus here it is, and so will also there is a setup of the electric field from here to here. अब ये इसको neutral कर रहा है, it means it has been vanished. ये complete हो गया, खत्म हो गया. Then what would happen? Now the effect would carry in between these two plates. It means the potential becomes higher in between these two plates now. अब ये electric field यहाँ से जो setup था वो खत्म हुआ है और यहाँ से set हो गया. It means we can further accumulate the positive charge here. यहाँ पे हम और भी charge यहाँ पर acquire करा सकते हैं through the external resources. क्योंकि if you just give the positive charge, similarly the negative charge has been stored here it is. Electron are going to shift it toward the plate and so on. We will connect the outer charge to the by means of to the earth by means of a wire, and that is going to the neutral. And as it is neutral, so will the charge has to be stored over the first plate, and that is the processing of accumulation of the charge on the plate, and that system is basically the capacitor. You would see that system which has been mentioned in that frame is known as the capacitor. यहाँ से आप इसको चार्ज दे रहे हैं, इस चार्ज से as you place another plate which is d meter distance away to the first one, तो इसका electron that has to be shifted toward the positive charge, and similarly the positive charge has been put away toward the outer frame of the secondary plate, and if we connected it by means of a wire through the earth, then the electron will comes out through the earth. As we know, earth is a very good conductor of the electricity, so the electron will come out through it and they are going to the neutral. As it becomes neutral, so the positive charge has to be given to the first plate.